When people watch a home makeover reveal, they see the emotional reaction. The family walks outside, everyone cheers, and they see the final product. What they don't see is everything that had to happen behind the scenes to make that moment possible. And for this project, there was a lot. Military Makeover reached out to Azenco in partnership with Progressive Screens with a mission: help transform the backyard of Army veteran Matthew Dawson and his family. Matthew served multiple combat deployments in Iraq and Afghanistan, and came home with life-altering injuries that still affect him today. He and his wife love spending time outdoors. So the goal was simple: create a backyard space where they could relax together. A simple idea, but a very complicated execution. Because we only had 4 weeks to make it happen, that meant our team had to engineer, manufacture, deliver, and install a fully customized pergola system on an extremely compressed timeline. But our team immediately got to work. First, we had to finalize engineering plans and get the pergola quoted fast enough to keep the Military Makeover production schedule moving. Every delay affects multiple crews, contractors, and filming schedules, so speed matters. Luckily, our US manufacturing facility was able to move quickly. With a production lead time of only 2 to 3 weeks, that gave us a real shot at pulling this off. Then, we got hit with our next challenge. The home was located in a hurricane-prone zone in South Florida, and the soil conditions? Mostly sand. That creates a serious structural challenge when you're installing a large pergola. You can't just dig standard footings and hope for the best. Our engineering team had to completely rethink the foundation strategy. They designed massive 4-foot wide footings that would properly anchor the structure and meet the demands of Florida weather. Problem solved. Until the next one showed up. The project also included fully motorized retractable screens. And here's where things got tricky. Those screens couldn't be fully measured until after the pergola was installed. Normally, that would create a major scheduling bottleneck. But Progressive Screens, our certified screen partner, worked ahead of schedule, coordinated measurements early, and found a way to stay ahead of the timeline before final grading was even complete. That saved valuable time. Then came installation. And this is where planning meets reality. Crews were coordinating around other contractors, landscaping teams, production crews, camera schedules, deliveries, and weather. Every crew had a job to do, and everyone had to stay on schedule. One delay could throw off the entire project, but the team kept pushing. Piece by piece, the pergola started coming together. Posts, beams, roof systems, screens, electrical components, finishing details. What started as an empty backyard slowly became a fully functional outdoor living space. And that's what people rarely see. The calls at night, the engineering revisions, the coordination headaches, the pressure of tight deadlines. The crews adapt in real time when things don't go exactly as planned. That's what actually creates these reveal moments. And when the Dawson family finally stepped outside, they didn't just see a pergola. They saw a space built specifically for their family. A place to enjoy Florida weather, a place for their kids to play, a place to relax after everything they've been through. And for our team, that moment made every challenge worth it. We're proud of the final product, but we're even more proud of the people behind the scenes who made it happen. And let's not forget what this was really about: supporting our veterans and active service members. From Azenco Outdoor, we thank you.